Yo, what's up? It's a boy Beast back again with a new video. For the guys who's actually watched the first episode, welcome back. For the new guys, you're also welcome to the channel. Just please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can be part of the movement. So guys, today's video is actually exciting, guys. It's actually exciting because why? What happened? I actually got my project car. So this project car is just right behind me right now, which I'm probably gonna show you a montage of the car in 3, 2, 1.
Yoxi.
So yeah, guys, as if you guys have seen with the montage, that's the car. So I purchased the Honda EK. I think it's a 96. It's a D series. It's a 1.5 liter. Let's get to it. Let me just quickly show you and actually tell you also the background story about the car, how I got it, and what's my plans with the car. And yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, so the story behind it, I actually got it from Gumtree. I was actually going around looking for a budget car that I could purchase. Well, basically, guys, I'm not really a mechanic. I haven't really worked on cars that much, and it's something that I really want to do because I have like a real passion with cars. I really love cars. I really love driving fast. I really like good looking cars. So I just decided, you know what, let me get a budget car and see what I can do under the budget. But yeah, anyways, what I want to do first, like my plan on how to start with the car, with the project, I'm looking actually to focus more onto the engine side, to the drivetrain, and to the suspension. So I'm looking to work towards into that first, and just fix some wirings and fix some things, which I'm going to show you guys. I will be showing you the game plan of the car. Then after that, that's when I'm going to go into the interior. Then after interior, I'm going to go to the exterior, which is the body, because the body really needs some work. The car, it's actually a good car. I think they drove it for like with owner stays like 30 kilometers away, so he drove it here, but I don't know what happened. But as soon as I got to my gate, the petrol was finished, was kaput. But yeah, so let me just give you a walk around and explain and tell you things that I see that I need to actually fix up. So yeah, so we're starting with the exterior. As you could see, the car is not really in the greatest shape. So yeah, you can see indicator lights not placed well. You can see the gapping over here, guys. Like the body still really need work. The trimming over here, so yeah, the trimming over here, and there's a bit of dents like everywhere, like you can check here, mostly on the bonnet, which we'll go to. We'll check it out. Then it doesn't have side skirts, so that's something that I need to look at. But I'm gonna look at CS Concept Sport. Maybe I'll purchase their side skirts because I saw them. It looks hella dope. And yeah, man, they got scratches over here. Now we're at the back. See, got a crack over here. I think the boot lid doesn't actually close properly, and you can see the gapping. Need to get that fixed. I need to take out this shit. I need to take out this. I hate tow bars. But yeah, anyways, oh yeah, I'm also looking for a new back cover. I just forgot what they call it. Is it I forgot. But anyways, I need to get that. So yeah, basically I'm thinking also just to get a new bumper over there. As you can see, guys, it really needs work. This window doesn't close. Need to fix the mechanics inside, but we'll get that when we talk about the interior. So yeah, that's the car, guys. New headlights, new bumper. I'm gonna put a front lip on it. But anyways, guys, like as I said, for the money that I spent on the car, that's the results that I'll get. So as I said, it's a budget car. It's a car that I actually bought, so I can also teach myself how to actually fix cars or fix my own car, modify it, do whatever, and just put hands on the car. Because I just don't want everything to be done by other people. But some of the things that I won't be able to do, like painting the car, I'll just get someone to paint it for me, but things that I think I could do, I can manage, I'm definitely gonna do it. Let's get to the interior. I hate that sound. I need to figure out what to do. Maybe put some oil for that sound to go away. But anyways, guys, definitely the car seat, the driver's seat most of the time, because even the slide doesn't actually really work. So I need to get that fixed. But as I said, this will be in the later stage. And let's get it in. So yeah, I need to fix up the dash. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Maybe I'll just remove this one and make it like for a gauge or something. I'll just see. I'll make a plan. Sooner or later I'm gonna get a radio. I need this gear cover over here. I hate this hole. I'm also obviously gonna change this. I'm obviously gonna change the gear knob. As I said, the window doesn't really work. Oh yeah, first thing that I think I'm gonna do is replace this windscreen. It's hella cracked. I don't really know what happened over here. I seriously don't really know what happened. And yeah, man, just clean it out. There's like dirt all over the place. So yeah, let's go to the back. Also, this window, need to figure it out. Come on. But yeah, wash the seats. See what I mean? Fix this. I'll get it sorted. Check. So yeah, guys. So hate that sound. Yeah, that's the back. Understand? But yeah, that's the interior and the exterior of the car. So now let's head out into the engine bay. So yeah, guys, that's the engine of the car. It's a 1.5 liter. It's a D series, as I explained. So yeah, as you can see, guys, like it really needs a lot of work. Talking about the cables, this wiring, I don't know what happened here, but I can see it's going to the fan. But the car, gotcha, it was overheating, so I'm sure the fan doesn't really work properly. This is the AC system, the power steering pump, which is seized. So just need to look what I'm gonna do. It's either that I'm gonna get a new one, or just delete the power steering. It's fine. Delete the aircon, just to make everything clean. I need a new O-ring for the distributor. I mean, is it a distributor? I forgot, guys. But anyways, I need an O-ring for that. Check the leaks behind there, because the power steering pump, since it's not working, and you can see they disconnected it, so it leaks a bit. So I'm just gonna do the touch-ups, tuck in the wires, just to make it more neat, more clean. I'm so excited to work on this. And yeah, this, as I said, is a D series, but it unfortunately it's not a VTEC. Maybe we'll transform it to a mini me. Maybe we'll see. Depends. I'm really stoked. So we'll see how this project goes. So yeah, let me get to work and actually clean up, and actually maybe see if I can delete some stuff already. Like maybe there's some stuff that you might see me on the video doing it wrong. Please comment down below and actually let me know, hey, this is what you're doing wrong, because as I said, I'm not really fond with fixing cars, but I really want to learn. Been watching a lot of YouTube videos of other YouTubers who's working on EKs. So I think I'm really confident about working on this car with majority of the stuff. If you guys are actually excited about this build, please make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment down below, and make sure that you hit the bell notification, so you can be notified every single time when I drop a video for this specific build, and actually for other things also, which is going to be on the YouTube channel, because big things are about to happen. And so yeah, let me work on the car and put you on a time lapse or something, and let's get to it. So yeah, guys, as you can see, took out the AC, looking way better, cleaner. Nothing too much, busy over here. Still want to do more, so I can tidy up this area over here. As I said, take out the petrol, the power steering pump. I feel like it's way better now than having all of those things here busy. It was just too busy. I'm not even gonna use it. It wasn't really working also, so it was just better just to take it out and just delete it. I don't think it's gonna be a chain smash for me. I'm cool with that. Then actually, after taking out the power steering pump, the biggest issue, not really a biggest issue, but it's gonna be somewhere. I hope you guys can see. Just give me a second. gonna be somewhere there. So I just need to do a loop onto that, which I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna also try to explain how to do it, but I've actually said I've watched a lot of videos where they actually do it, so I might even just down in the description leave down the link, so if maybe I don't explain it good, they will actually do it for you. You'll watch the video and get to understand what you have to actually do. So I'm done with the first task. To taking out the AC, guys. I feel so proud already, and this was just a small job. Wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. It was actually quite easy, quite simple, straightforward. There was also some bolts that I'm missing, so it was just super easy. So yeah, guys, just wanted to give you another quick update from the last time. As I said, I was just busy with the inside of the engine bay, but now I actually took out the bumper, the fenders on the side, both sides. Took out the fender, obviously the bonnet also. But the reason also why I took out the fender, because I knew there was a lot of mud underneath the fender, so this is something that I need to wash off. And also on the other side, wash this off so it can be nice and clean. And I just saw this now. If I didn't take out the fender, I wouldn't even know that rust is actually hitting here. So cleaning up this will help me to see if there's any rust and what to fix with the rust. So I'm happy so far. I'm happy so far with what I've done. I just want to do more. And shout out to my brother-in-law for helping me out. So yeah, guys, have to end the video right here, right now. I'm done doing the work for today's work. As you could see, took out the bumpers, the headlights, the fenders. As I said earlier on, guys, like the car isn't like, I need to clean it like real hard, real hard. But I'm gonna clean it. I just put the bonnet on top, just to keep everything safe. And yeah, guys, done with the video. Thank you for watching. As I said, guys, if you actually enjoyed watching the content, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the bell button so you can get notifications every single time when I have to drop a video regarding my Honda EK. I'm still looking for a name for it, but if you got any ideas, type down in the comment section or sector. Just type down any name that you think that I could name the car. And yeah, man, right now I just need to pack all of this, the bumpers, the fenders, headlights, and my tools. Have to pack them, maybe put them in my room or whatever. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys. It's your boy Beast from Beastmax 350. Salute, Kruger, away.